Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your messages on your Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Hotels.com app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on inbox, you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on messages here. When you just click on it, then you come to this list here. Then here you will find all messages you have in this list. It's going to show for you here. So like you see, I have no here no messages yet, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.